next case would come from when...
You've got to help me, One. It's gone. Everything's gone.
Slow down, Nine. Tell me what happened.
I live in apartment 9 on the 9th floor of Numerical Towers. I left home this morning at 9 o'clock to buy a newspaper. When I came back 9 minutes later, the door was open. Everything was gone.
A mystery indeed. I'll take the case. Let's look for clues. Did you notice anything strange or unusual when you got back?
No, nothing. Oh, there was one thing. The suspicious, shadowy stranger in a coat and hat pushed past me and ran out of that door. But apart from that, nothing.
Can you describe this stranger?
They were as wide as the door, so 2 blocks wide, with a flat head.
Clue 1. Flat head when standing 2 blocks wide. Anything else?
I could see over their head when we were both 2 blocks wide, so they must have been smaller than me.
Clue 2. Smaller than 9.
Look, hat, coat, it's them!
After them, quick!
Oh, there, on the steps. The hat!
Oh, these aren't steps, it's... Did either of you see a suspicious step-shaped figure in a coat and hat? Sorry, friend. No one else down here. Just us. Something didn't add up. Or did it?
You can count on us with another box.
Phew, it's cold up here.
Keep going, everybody. We are near the top of Blocky Mountain.
Oh, if we're really lucky, we might spot the legendary Big Tum. A big hairy monster with a big hairy tummy who loves puzzles. Don't be silly, Seven.
Yum!
What was that?
Yum!
Big Tum!
Yum, yum! Who's in my tum?
Who's in? Wait, is one of us missing?
Everyone call out your number.
1, 2, 3,
Yum!
5, 6, 7.
8, 9.
10.
Where's 4? 4's missing. 4's in your tum.
Yum, yum! Well done!
Are you feeling okay, 4?
I'm fine, thank you. It was warm and snuggly in Big Tum's tum.
Come and get me!
Game on. Coming. Ready or not?
Look, 9. Nice smooth snow.
Yum!
Oh.
Yum, yum! Who's in my tum?
9. Oh, no. Where are you? It was me. I was 9. And Big Tum gobbled up some of my blocks.
All right, today we are learning about filling in missing numbers on a number line. Now, we already know that when we go to the right of a number line, our numbers are getting bigger. When we go left to our number line, our numbers are going to get smaller. Okay, so the interesting thing about today is that some of our numbers is missing. So we have to figure out, okay, let's look at the numbers that we have and figure out which numbers are actually missing. Now, some of these are not going in an order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got to figure out what is the order or the pattern and then fill in the boxes from there. All right, so looking at number 1. Also, before we start, we are skipping day 2. We are not doing day 2 at all. X out day 2. We are skipping day 2 and going to day 3. All right, so let's get started. We are going to do A and might do B. We will see, because today the only thing you're going to be doing is, it looks like the only thing you're going to be doing is the number line for your assignment. So I think we're going to do A for sure, but we'll figure out if we do B in a minute. All right, fill in the missing numbers on each number line below. So starting here, we see we have 13, 14, blank, blank, 17, blank, 19. Well, when we look at from 13 to 14, we are adding how many? 1. So more than likely, that is probably going to be the pattern that we're going to use, is adding 1 to every number. So from 14 to this box, if we add 1, what would that number be? It would be 15. All right, let's do it again. If we go from 15 to this box and we add 1, what would that number be? 15 plus 1 equals 16. All right. So as we can stop right there for a minute, and we're going to look and see if it might just be right. Just let's see if our work is right, and we need to check what we've done. So we did 13 plus 1 equals 14. 14 plus 1 equals 15. 15 plus 1 equals 16. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We might be doing it right, guys. So here we go. We're going to do it again. From 16 to 17 is plus 1. And then 17 to this box, if we add 1, what is 17 plus 1? It is 18. So I think, guys, we got the right answer. We have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We did it right. Oh my goodness. All right. So here we go. Let's go ahead and I will do B with you. So your assignment will be C and D. So here we go. We have 15, 20, 25, blank, 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 45. All right, here we go. Well, from 15 to 20, let's see, 15, the number is going up because 20 is bigger than 15. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's adding 5. Okay. Now let's go from 20 to 25. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We added 5 again. Well, guys, I think we might have found our pattern. We are adding 5. So here we go. From 25 to this box, let's add 5 and see what we get. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, let's go from here to here. And let's try adding 5. All right, 30 plus 5. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So the next one is 35. Okay, let's go from 35 to this box. Let's try adding 5. So now we have 35 plus 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Guys, I think we got it. Let's check it. We have 15, we have 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I think we got it, guys. So we found first, we try to find a pattern. And in A, our pattern was +1, and in B, our pattern was +5. Because remember, when we go this way, our numbers go up. But when we go this way, our numbers are going down. All right? So we have a missing box, 16, 18, blank, 22, blank, blank. Always start, all right, I'm going to give you a helpful hint. You always start with the boxes that are already there. So you say, Miss Norris, this box is empty. Okay, well, you have 2 boxes here that are not empty. So that's the boxes you're going to start with. So from 16 to 18, our numbers, we're going this way, so that means our numbers is going up. So from 16 to 18, how did we get from 16 to 18? Okay, 16, 17, 18. 2. We added 2. So maybe that is your pattern. Now, if we're going to find the answer to this one, if we're going this way, our numbers go down. So that means we need to subtract. And if it's +2, if we're counting by 2s, then that means we should subtract by 2 in order to get this box here. Do the same thing here on D and the same thing on C that we just did on A and B. And remember, we skipped day 2, and the only thing we're doing today is our number line C and D. If you have any questions, email me, send me a text or a call, and I'll see you later. Bye.